What's the meaning of convexity? Convexity. Convexity.
Convexity. Convexity. Convexity is a mathematical concept that represents the degree to which a mathematical function or a geometrical object is curved. In the context of finance, convexity is often used to describe the relationship between bond prices and interest rates. Specifically, it refers to the tendency of a bond's price to increase by a greater amount when interest rates fall than it decreases when interest rates rise. This property provides bond investors with an asymmetric payoff profile, which means that they can potentially benefit more from falling interest rates than they can lose from rising interest rates.